All right, class. Let's do math. What is it, Dark Meowser?
Can I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Now let's pull the fire alarm. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no, you don't. Dark Meowser. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? You know you can get arrested for pulling the fire alarm. That's it. Come in my office now. Dark Meowser. For trying to pull the fire alarm. I will call your parents. Don't you dare even think about coming in. Hello. This is Dark Meowser parents. This is Principal Eric speaking. Your son tried to pull the fire alarm. Can you ground him? Goodbye. Princess Peach and Bowser. I had a true story. He tried to pull the fire alarm and got expelled and grounded. He is now suspended for 3 weeks.
Oh my god. Bowser. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm and got suspended for 3 weeks? Principal Eric. What else can you say?
Well, this morning he sneaked out of his class and pulled the fire alarm. And when I get to the hallway, I saw Dark Meowser try to pull the fire alarm. Goodbye, Princess Peach. And Bowser. This is my true story. I don't know why he started to pull the fire alarm. This is bad of Dark Meowser. I will see you on Friday.
Dark Meowser. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? You know you don't ever pull the fire alarm. Princess Peach is putting a nappy on you.
But Mom, Dad, I'm too old for nappies. I'm 15 years old. Ouch. That hurts even worse than the second nappy. And is throbbing me more.
I don't care if your nappy is throbbing you. You will go pee-pees and poo-poos in your nappy instead in the toilet. I will set fire all your underwear and smash your toilet. Next punishment. You are forced to watch baby shows like Barney, Bob the Builder, Teletubbies, Dora the Explorer, Dinosaur Train, Oswald, Work It Out Wombats, Blue's Clues and Bear in the Big Blue House. Go to your room now.
No. Oh.